Hello everyone, this is Shrwan Sir, making maths simple for you. Welcome to my YouTube channel Karna Maths Academy. Today in this video, we are going to solve one of the most important questions. Dear students, this question is from the angle between two straight lines from class 10 optional mathematics. Here we go. Dear students, the question is, if the line 2x plus 5y plus 2 equals 0 and kx plus y plus 6 equals 0 are parallel to each other, find the value of k. Dear students, in this question we are given two equations of straight lines which are parallel. Dear students, we are given two straight lines which are parallel and we have to find out the value of k, the coefficient of x, which is unknown in the second equation. Dear students, the first equation of a straight line is 2x plus 5y plus 2 equals 0. This is the first equation of a straight line. Now, to find the value of k, we have to find out the slope of the two straight lines. The given two straight lines are parallel. So if two straight lines are parallel, then the slope of first straight line and the slope of second straight line should be equal. So dear students, to solve this question, we have to use the formula m1 equals m2. That means the slope of first straight line is equal to the slope of second straight line, because the given two straight lines are parallel to each other. So let's find out the slope. Dear students, let's find out the slope of the first straight line and let's denote it by m1. So we know when the equation of a straight line is given, then the formula of slope is minus coefficient of x divided by the coefficient of y. Dear students, the coefficient of x is 2 and the coefficient of y is 5. Dear students, from the first equation of a straight line, we have found the value of m1. That means the slope of the first straight line. Dear students, now let us find out the slope of the second equation of a straight line. Kx plus y plus 6 equals to 0. So this is the equation of the second straight line, or we can say this is the second equation of a straight line. Therefore slope, let's denote by m2, the slope of second straight line, minus coefficient of x divided by minus coefficient of x divided by y. Dear students, the formula to find the slope of a straight line is minus coefficient of x divided by y. If the equation of a straight line is given, if the equation of a straight line is given in the form of x plus by equals c, then the formula of slope is minus coefficient of x divided by y. So this is when any equation of a straight line is given, then the formula of slope is minus coefficient of x divided by the coefficient of y. So dear students, now let's put the value of coefficient of x and coefficient of y from the second equation of a straight line. So dear students, coefficient of x is k and the coefficient of y is 1. That means we can write minus k. So dear students, we have found the slope of first straight line and the slope of second straight line. Now according to the question, the two straight lines are parallel. Dear students, according to the question, the given two straight lines are parallel. So the slope must be equal. The value of m1 should be equal to the value of m2. m1 is minus 2 by 5. We have found m1, the slope of first straight line, is minus 2 by 5 and m2 is minus k. Dear students, therefore The value of k is, we can cancel minus from both sides. The value of k is 2 by 5. So dear students, this is the value of k, which is equal to 2 by 5. This is the required solution of the given question. So dear students, always keep in the mind, when two equations of straight lines are given which are parallel, then first we have to find out m1, that means slope of first straight line. Then we have to find m2, the slope of the second straight line. And when the two straight lines are parallel, then we should write m1 is equal to m2. Then by taking this condition, we can find out the value of the coefficient of x and y, which are unknown. Dear students, I hope that you have understood the solution of this question. Next time we'll meet with a new content. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Thank you.